Airways, the fastest, most comfortable, and prestigious mode of transport. It can cover very difficult terrain like high mountains, dreary deserts, dense forests, and long oceanic stretches with great ease. The air transport was nationalized in 1953. It provides domestic and international air services. Pavan Hans Helicopters Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in its offshore operations. Indian Airlines operations also extend to the neighboring countries of South and Southeast Asia and the Middle East. But air travel is not within the reach of the common people. Communication. The major means of communication in India are television, radio, press, films. The Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communications. First class mail is airlifted between stations covering both land and air. Second class mail includes book packets, registered newspaper, and periodicals. They are carried by surface mail, covering land and water transport. India has one of the largest telecom networks in Asia. The subscriber trunk dialing facilities all over India have been made possible by integrating the development in space technology with communication technology. Mass communication provides entertainment and creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspapers, magazines, books, and films. Akashvani, India Radio Channel, broadcasts a variety of programs in national, regional, and local languages for various categories of people. Doordarshan, the national television channel of India. It is the largest terrestrial networks in the world. It broadcasts a variety of programs. Newspapers. India publishes a large number of newspapers and periodicals annually. They are published in about 100 languages and dialects. Feature films. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. Trade. The exchange of goods among people, states, and countries is referred to as trade. International trade. Trade between two countries is called international trade. What is the balance of trade? The balance of the trade of the country is the difference between its export and import. What is favorable balance of trade? When the value of export exceeds the value of imports. Unfavorable balance of trade. If the value of imports exceeds the value of exports. Exports from India. The commodities like gems, jewelry, chemicals and related products, agriculture and elite products, etc. Imports from India. The commodities include petroleum, crude and products, gems and jewelry, chemicals and related products, base metals, electronic items, machinery, agriculture, and elite products.